Once you have successfully created a Miro account, you can now access Miro boards to participate and collaborate with your colleagues. The following provides a very brief demonstrations on how the Miro board can work. First, you'll want to be able to navigate within the Miro board. Navigating in the Miro board is easy. First, you should be able to move around. Using your mouse cursor, click the left mouse button. Once you click and hold the left mouse button, you'll notice that the cursor has changed to a hand. Moving the cursor to the left or the right will move the board around accordingly. Note that what you're doing is only changing the view for yourself and not others. The next way to navigate the Miro board is scrolling in and out or zooming in and out. And to zoom in and out, you just simply use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom out and zoom in. Zooming out and zooming in can be used in conjunction with the left click to quickly move around to any place within the board. And again, this is only changing your view of the board, not other collaborators. To see what the other collaborators are seeing, you can find their icon and just simply click on it. By clicking on their icon, you will be taken to the view that they're currently seeing. Once you move the board, you'll be again placed into your own view of the board. In terms of the activities for your retreat, two key activities will occur. First was using sticky notes. Sticky notes are easily created. Looking to the left where there is a toolbar, you may see the sticky note icon in this immediately in view. If not, you may need to click the ellipses at the very bottom. Clicking the ellipses pops up another window, and you'll see on one of those options is sticky note. Clicking sticky note will then pop up this window. This window will allow you to select a color. The icon now changes to a sticky note. Wherever your cursor is where the sticky note will be placed. Once the sticky note is placed, you can type in your desired text. Clicking off the sticky note is required for others to see. This sticky note is now viewable. You can zoom in and move around to zoom in on the text that has been written. This can now be moved, and this is the second important skill. Clicking on the object to move will put a selection frame around it, and then using the left mouse button to click and drag and then release to move it. Moving over to another example of moving items will be used for voting dots. Voting dots will appear, and you'll just simply click on one. It'll now be selected, and then click and move the dot to where it needs to be. A very handy feature is when you make mistakes. Making mistakes you can undo, just as within any Windows application, by pressing and holding the Control key and touching Z, Control Z, and that will undo your last action. Thank you.